Jesse, you always ask me how to improve English, right?
Yes, Bob. I read English books, I watch movies, I even listen to songs, but still, I feel weak in speaking.
Okay. Let me tell you a secret. If you really want to improve English, the first step is grammar.
Grammar? But, Bob, grammar is difficult. Many people say grammar is boring. Do we really need it?
Yes, of course. Without grammar, English is broken. Think of a human body. What keeps the body in shape? Bones. Without bones, the body falls down. Grammar is like bones for English. Without it, sentences will fall down.
Oh, that's a good example. Grammar is the bones of English.
Exactly. And the good news is, you don't need to learn every small grammar rule. You only need two main things: tenses and voices.
Only two, Bob?
Yes, if you master tenses and voices, you can speak and write correct English.
Okay, then start with tenses. Why are they important?
Because tense tells us time. And when we speak, we always talk about time. Something happened yesterday, something is happening now, something will happen tomorrow.
Hmm, give me an example.
Sure. If I say, I eat food, it means I do it regularly. If I say, I ate food, it means I already finished it. If I say, I will eat food, it means I will do it in the future.
Oh, so just by changing tense, the meaning changes.
Exactly. Tense is not just grammar, it is meaning, it is life of the sentence.
Then please explain all tenses to me.
Alright, in English we have three main times: present, past, future. Each time has four parts: simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. So total equals 12 tenses.
12 looks big, but maybe it's easy if we take step by step.
Yes? Let's start with present. First is simple present. We use it for habits, facts, and daily actions. For example, I go to school every day. She drinks tea every morning. The sun rises in the east. Birds fly in the sky. My father reads the newspaper.
Okay, so simple present is for habits and facts.
Yes. Next is present continuous. We use it for actions happening right now. For example, I am talking to you. She is cooking food now. They are playing football.